The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is the lifeblood of the food service industry today. Adding new menu items brings customers to spend more money at an establishment. Often, adding new menu items requires a new countertop appliance, many of which we manufacture at Equipex, and that might create a ventilation issue or a problem. We have developed a truly unique and innovative approach to dealing with ventilation issues for Type 2 electric cooking equipment. Type 2 electric cooking equipment is most electric cooking equipment except fryers and charbroilers. So what are some examples of Type 2 cooking equipment? Panini grills, induction cookers, crepe makers, small griddles, convection ovens, pizza ovens, waffle bakers, toasting equipment, and much, much more. The Equipex Small Appliance Ventless Hood System, or SA Vent, is designed to handle ventilation requirements when it is impractical, impossible, or uneconomical to install a traditional hood system. The SA Vent is a real hood system. When you turn on the switch here on the side, the system is activated. It makes some noise, just like a normal hood system. How does the SA Vent work? There is a triple filter system behind the front panel. First, there is a grease filter, which is a baffle-type filter that extracts the grease from the air. And there is a small grease container that should be emptied periodically on the side of the SA Vent. The grease filter is washable in the pot sink or dishwasher. Next, there is an electrostatically charged particulate filter. This filter cleans the smoke from the air. The filter can be rinsed and should be replaced every 4 to 6 months. And finally, there is a carbon filter, which cleans the odor from the air. This filter should be replaced every 4 to 6 months, depending on the application. The filters must be in place and the front panel installed for the SA Vent to operate. You may wonder what codes the SA Vent complies with. The SA Vents are approved to the highest standards. First, the SA Vents are approved to UL safety standards. In addition, the SA Vents are approved to NSF sanitation standards. Most importantly, the SA Vents are approved to EPA 202 test method, which is part of NFPA number 96. This test is conducted by a third party which certifies that the SA Vents extract grease from the air in accordance with the highest national standards. This standard is recognized by most health and fire officials. Are the SA Vents easy to install? Absolutely. The SA Vents come fully assembled. Just unpack it from its 3-foot square box, place it on a countertop, which only needs to be a standard 30 inches in depth, install the grease filter, and plug it in. You are ready to go. A normal 120 volt outlet is required. It is a plug-and-play appliance. So in addition to keeping unwanted grease-laden vapor from the room area and satisfying local officials, your SA Vent will save you money in cleanup. There will no longer be residue on the ceilings, walls, and menu boards that require labor-intensive cleaning. Please contact your local dealer or a factory if you need assistance with determining which model of the SA Vent your equipment requires, or for approvals assistant with your local officials. The Equipex Small Appliance Ventless Hood System is your countertop solution for ventilation issues with Type 2 cooking equipment.